Ever wondered how to make the perfect French toast at home? Today we're diving into the savory world of this classic breakfast dish. Originating from the Romans, French toast has been tantalizing taste buds for centuries with its delicious symphony of sweet and savory. It's this captivating blend of flavors that makes it a beloved breakfast choice across the globe. From the heart of France to your kitchen, French toast is more than just a meal, it's an experience. Stay tuned to learn the secret to making the best French toast right at your kitchen. First things first, gather your ingredients. Let's start with the star of the show, bread. You could use any bread you like, but a thick, hearty loaf works best to soak up all the goodness we're about to add. Next, we've got eggs. They're the binding agent that holds everything together. You'll need a couple of them for a rich, custardy texture. Then comes the milk. It's the liquid base that makes our French toast creamy and delicious. A little bit of sugar sweetens the deal, while a pinch of cinnamon adds a dash of warmth and spice. And of course, we can't forget about the butter. It's what gives our French toast that irresistible golden crust and adds a layer of richness to every bite. And there you have it. Those are all the ingredients you'll need to make mouth-watering French toast. Got everything? Great. Now on to the real fun part, cooking. Kick off the cooking process by preparing your egg mixture. This is where the magic begins. Start by cracking open a few fresh eggs. We're going for 4 here. Beat them until the yolk and the egg white are well combined. Next, pour in a generous splash of milk. This will give our French toast a delightful creaminess. Now, it's time to sweeten things up a bit. Sprinkle in some sugar, as much or as little as you like. We're opting for 2 tablespoons. Finally, add a dash of cinnamon for that aromatic warmth. Now, bring it all together. Mix these ingredients well until you're left with a smooth, creamy mixture. This step is crucial. A well-mixed batter ensures every slice of bread is evenly coated, promising a perfect bite every time. Your egg mixture is ready. But before we proceed, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe for more such delicious recipes. Now it's time to give that bread a decadent bath. Take your bread slices and gently dip them into your perfectly whipped egg mixture. Make sure each side gets a fair share of the mixture, as this is what will give your toast that rich, custardy interior. But be careful not to soak it too long. We don't want our bread turning into a soggy mess. Once your bread is nicely soaked, it's time to move over to the stove. Heat up your pan over medium heat and drop in a generous knob of butter. Wait till it's melted and bubbling with anticipation, ready to transform your bread into a delicious treat. Now, gently place your soaked bread onto the pan. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of magic happening. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's golden brown. Then flip it over with a spatula to reveal its beautifully cooked side. Here's a little secret. The key to achieving that perfect golden brown color and the crunchy texture is patience. Don't rush the process. Let the heat do its work. Once both sides are cooked to perfection, remove your toast from the pan, and there you have it. A piece of toast that's crispy on the outside, soft and custardy on the inside. Voila! You have successfully cooked your French toast, but we're not done yet. There's still the final touch. Every masterpiece needs a final touch, and so does your French toast. Now, the beauty of French toast is that it's like a blank canvas, ready to be adorned with your favorite flavors. You could sprinkle some powdered sugar for a snowy effect, or perhaps you're more of a syrup drizzler, letting it cascade down the sides of your toast like a sweet waterfall. Fresh fruits can add a burst of color and a tangy twist. Strawberries, blueberries, or a handful of pomegranate seeds. The choice is yours. Or why not go wild with some whipped cream, chocolate chips, or a sprinkle of cinnamon? The possibilities are endless, and that's the real joy of cooking, the freedom to experiment and make a dish truly your own. And there you have it, the perfect homemade French toast. We hope you enjoy making this as much as we did. Until next time, happy cooking.